Wow. And I present to you our Parmesan Skewered Chicken. Hello, this is Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing chicken skewers. Gagamitin natin yung air fryer natin. No? So hindi natin kailangan prepare ng charcoal. No charcoal for today. So, there you go. Simulan natin with, of course, our chicken. I'll prepare the chicken. I-debone natin siya. And then lalagyan natin ng yung pinaka-marinade. No? I'll show you first how to debone the chicken. Ganito. Get a sharp knife. Get a very sharp knife. And then, ang ginamit natin for today, chicken thigh. Yun. Kunin nyo lang sa gitna. Buksan siya with a knife. And there you go. Yan, ikot. Ikot mo lang konti. Ikot mo yung bone. Then you can get your bone. Yan. Okay. Kabila. This one. Yun. Yun lang kadali. No? Be careful, ha? Yun. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ang gusto natin, medyo malaking parts na, ng chicken. So, we'll cut this in half. Tapos, ito yung marinade natin. Skewer natin, malaking pieces ng chicken. Okay? So, I'll just repeat this and do more chicken thigh. I really chose the thigh part kasi yung thigh part, it's very juicy. Tapos merong skin. So meron siyang, habang ini-air fry mo siya, tutulo yung oil niya. And then part of the skin, while you're cooking it, yung outer part na na-expose sa air fryer, magiging crunchy siya. Okay, so we're done. Lilinisin ko lang yung table ko. And then we'll do our marinade. Okay, let's wash the hand. Lalo na pag chicken yung hinawakan mo. Yun. Good. Very nice. Paper towel. Hydrogen peroxide. Okay. And we're ready to move on to our next step. So what we'll do, we'll prepare our garlic. Yung garlic natin, olive oil, no? We'll put in olive oil. So this is our base for the marinade. Good enough. Okay. We'll put in some minced garlic. Damihan natin. Yun, para masarap yung chicken. Okay. And then put in some paprika. Okay, good. That's for warmth and flavor at saka for color, no? Nilagyan natin ng crushed pepper. Yun, para for spice. Damihan natin. Good. And black pepper. Okay, there you go. Dami yung black pepper. Ganda. Hindi natin ng konting oregano. Chopped oregano. Fresh oregano. Galing sa garden natin. Ano siya, bago. Fresh na fresh. Yun. Yun. Isa pa. Yun. Chop it. Yun lang, ha? Yan, chop. Okay. Then, put sa marinade natin. Alright, good. And some salt. Goody. Some salt. Okay, dami mo yung salt kasi. Yan. And our last ingredient, of course, kuha natin ng zest of lemon. Let's put in zest. Damihan nyo na. Huwag lang yung puti kasi yung puting part skin, medyo mapakla na yun. Yan, okay? Then, tabi mo lang to kasi gagamitin pa natin to. And then, kuha natin yung juice of lemon. Beauty. And then we'll make a sauce for this using butter, of course pepper, chili, and Parmesan cheese. Sarap! Now, babagsak natin yung chicken natin dito. There. Okay. Let's mix it up. Hanggang mag-marinade lang yan. There you go. Mix. Mix lang mabuti. And then let it marinate for about 20-30 minutes. Leave it here. Or you can leave it in the refrigerator. Or kung gusto nyo, pagdating sa gabi, doon nyo lang i-skewer sa inyong air fryer. Okay, so while we're marinating this, ipiprepare ko na yung air fryer natin. Work with our air fryer. Turn it on. Air fry. Temperature, let's use 180 degrees, 185, 190, baka masunog, up to yung mga 185. And then time, about 30 minutes. Yun. Okay, and then start. Habang iniit natin, gagawin ko, lalagyan natin na i-align natin to with itong glad natin na cook and bake na parchment paper. Okay, parchment paper, there you go. Good. Ito na siya. Para yung chicken natin hindi didikit dun sa bakal. There you go. Pag abot niya sa desired temperature natin, which is 185, ilalagay na natin chicken. So while we are preheating our air fryer, ilagay natin sa skewers yan, yung chicken. We'll make tusok-tusok our chicken. We'll make tusok-tusok our chicken. Yan. Nice. Maganda medyo siksik ng konti. Siksik natin ng konti. Yan, Yun, ganun. Ganun kasiksik. Yes. One more. Pwede natin itong pwede natin ito ilutuin. Okay, one more. Isa pa, then we're done. Okay. There you go. So, na-reach natin desired temperature natin. So, lagyan natin skewers natin dito. Chicken. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan. Nice. And then after 8 minutes, babalikan natin siya. After 8 minutes, babalikan natin. Tignan natin din. Ikot. Alright? So while we're cooking our chicken, melted butter. Okay? So yung melted butter, lalagyan natin dito. Ito na yung magiging sauce natin. Mamaya. There you go. Wow. Wow. Lagyan na natin lahat. Isang block ng butter. No? And with that, we'll put some konting garlic. About tablespoon and a half. And then, lagyan natin ng pepper. Lots of pepper. Okay, there you go, lots of pepper, and then konting spice. That's it. Chili. Lagyan natin ng zest of lemon and juice. So, zest of lemon. The zest of lemon brightens up the taste of chicken. Tinasan ko ng konti yung temperature na ng air fryer. Kanina ito sa 190. Ngayon, inakyat ko siya ng 200. We'll cut our lemon. So, lemon juice. Good. Konti pa. There you go. Put some salt. Konti pa. Okay, then mix it. And then we'll taste it. Tignan natin kung masarap na ba yung lasa niya. And then lalagyan natin siya ng Parmesan cheese and oil. Lalagyan natin siya ng Farmer Sanchez. Ayan. Okay, let's try this first before the Parmesan cheese. Konti pang salt. Mix it some more. Okay, we'll put our Parmesan cheese. There. Honey, hello. How are you? Hello, Miss Gomez. Ganda ni Miss Gomez, oh. Yes.
You're cooking, my friends.
Yeah. Honey, si Lucy is on her way to the city hall because she's our city mayor. But Lucy is not very much fond of chicken dahil yung mga kaibigan namin mga manok.
Not very much fun. Talagang hindi.
Talagang hindi siya fond of chicken. So, we are frying chicken here. Honey. Yan, no? No? Yun yung chicken natin, air fry natin. No? I'll give it 2 more minutes bago ko siya ikot.
I used to love chicken. I
Yeah.
remember when I was pregnant with
Yes.
Juliana.
Yeah.
Yung lola ni Richard natakot kasi every day I would eat chicken. Every day of my 9 months pregnancy.
Ang kinatakot ng lola ko, baka paglabas si Juliana, meron ng may wings at saka may feathers na. Ba't nga ayaw mo ng chicken? Because
Kasi during the pandemic, pagdating ko dito, di ba, I had to do a lockdown.
yes.
So there in the Lanay, I'd be there every day for 2 weeks straight. Ang kasama ko lang manok. So,
At naging friends mo sila.
nakikinig sila sa music ko.
Yeah.
Naging kaibigan
You know,
sila.
chicken, they're very curious animals, ha?
Yeah.
Oo.
At panganak sila ng panganak, grabe. Hindi sila nauubusan
Nakita ko kanina siya, no? Nandiyan si...
Delilah.
Wait, hanapin. Diyan ka lang, ha?
Even yung... So marami akong baby Jesus na nasa manger. Gusto ng chicken, dun siya manganak sa manger. So ilang beses niyang tinatadyakan si baby Jesus. Ilang beses ko siyang I have to put baby Jesus back together. Kasi akala talaga ng manok, yung higaan ni Jesus, pwede siya doon. So what we do now is naglalabas kami ng mga baskets, nilalagyan na namin siya ng lining ready for the chicken to deliver her eggs.
Yan. Ito yung friends ni Lucy.
Yes.
Sa mga babait nito, talagang yung pwede mong kunin, eh.
Yeah, pets sila talaga. They're lovely animals.
Kaya marami kaming manok dito.
Oh, at
Layla.
Honey, alis na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Nagkwento. Nakisali at nagkwento.
kiss.
Bye-bye. Ay, di ko. Bye.
Higis si manok, eh. Bye, honey. See you. Yan. Huwag ka matakot. Ibang kaibigan mo yung niluto ko kanina. galing sa market yung niluluto kong chicken. Okay, dito ka na muna. No, sige, okay. After 10 minutes, yan ha. Ikot na natin yung chicken natin para yung other side naman ang lulutuin niya. Yun. So, notice medyo mabagal din magluto dito sa air fryer na, pero mas makokontrol mo yung heat. Yan. So there you go. We'll cook this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Inakyat ko lang yung temperature sa 200, pero sa 202 siya nag-register. Okay, I'll just finish doing our sauce na maya. Lalagyan na ito. Once maluto yung chicken natin, durugin ko lang yung grated Parmesan cheese. Titignan ko ngayon sauce natin kung pasado na ba sa akin. Wow. It's tangy, it's salty, it's very cheesy. Wow, sarap. Good. So after 10 minutes on each side, ilabasan natin to. Wow, look at that. See how beautiful it is. So, our chicken is well cooked. We can see. Yan. Nice. Yun. So habang piniprepare naman natin to, yung next round naman ng chicken yung ilalagay natin. Okay. Ang next na gagawin natin, so chicken's cooked. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng pagkaluto. Humuta. Oy, nice. See? It's well cooked. Now, lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Put in lots of sauce dito. Yan. Pagkasarap. Oy. Turn it over. Ganda. And then we'll serve this. So there you go. And I present to you our Parmesan skewered chicken. So now, subukan naman natin. Yun. Wow. Sarap. Tapos pinafeel mo yung asim ng lemon. Social ng lemon, no? Diba? The meat is good. It's not dry kasi ano siya eh. Tayo yung ginamit natin, hindi yung breast. Pa. Well, thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma home. There you go. We prepare food that's easy to cook, something you can enjoy with your friends, share with your family, and preparing it in your own kitchen. Okay, so please like and subscribe our YouTube page. And again, this is Richard Gomez. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma home. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Wow, this is really good. Lambot. Super tender. How did it?